Hey, great art explorers! Welcome back to Russian Beyond. Today, we are sketching up those summer travel vibes. Think tropical greens, fun details, and a suitcase full of dreams. We're starting with a cozy paper textured canvas and a soft blue background, just like clear skies on a perfect vacation day. A little blur for that dreamy look, and you're off. Here comes the sunshine yellow suitcase, bright, bold, and ready to roll. Details? Oh yes! Let's give it wheels so it can officially zoom around the globe. Time for a sneaky art tip. I'm duplicating the layer, turning it black, lowering opacity, and boom! A perfect shadow for that 3D look. We'll adjust these shadows later, so hang tight. Next stop, that must-have candy pink beach bag. Isn't she a cutie? Tucked inside is a travel guide because we never travel without a plan or a snack. Shadow layer in. And now for the classic beach day hero, the floppy straw hat. Let's perch it on the suitcase, fashion-forward travel style. Let's get tropical, adding some leafy greens for that fresh vacay vibe. Duplicate and arrange them like sunshine through the palm leaves. Beach mode on. And here comes my absolute favorite part, custom stitch brush time. Let's doodle those swoopy airplane trails. It's artsy, it's whimsical, and yes, it's magical. Want to see this brush in action on a cute camp scene? Links in the description. Let's drop in that orange paper plane. Duplicating it to add one below. Quick text stroke. Let's travel. Because yes please. Now let's circle back to those shadow layers and adjust everything just right. flair, a tiny tassel on the beach bag because we love little things. And ta-da! Our travel artwork is ready to fly. Where are you jet setting next? Drop your dream destination in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell for more fun, colorful art is just a sketch away.